Hi, my name is Allison Nishimura.
And I'm Rebecca Parrington.
And we're here with our company,
Cards for Change,
a platform that is revolutionizing the way that we spread kindness and make an impact in the world around us.
Today, we are more disconnected than ever, despite us being in a digital, fast-paced world. It's hard to connect with one another, especially when phones are taking up so much of our time. Sure, there's digital cards, but that's not the same. It's all about pen and paper. 70% of all millennials and Gen Z believe that receiving a physical card is better than a digital one. They feel more connected and grounded.
At Cards for Change, we provide a platform for individuals, companies, or sponsors who would like to be able to purchase bundles, specifically which include of customized templates, ready-made scripts, and DIY card materials, which can then be used to create a surplus of personalized cards. So, whether they're trying to create a birthday message, send a note of sympathy, or even brighten someone's day, with Cards for Change, we make it easy for them to create meaningful, lasting connections.
We believe everyone can be a hero. That's our motto for a reason. With these packages that we make, everyone can be a hero. See, individuals can purchase our packages and they can take them home and use them. Our kits are enough for 25 students or 25 adults. So you can host it at your home, or you can donate them to local elementary schools. When you go to our website, which is the QR code right there, you can see that you can purchase a package. When you push purchase, there's an option to donate it to a local elementary school. These packages will be sent to them, since teachers usually have to pay for these out of their own funds. This way, kids can be creative, and you'll be benefiting the retirement homes nearby.
Each year in the United States, 6.5 billion cards are sent out annually, and that trend is actually increasing because of the growing popularity specifically among millennials and Gen Z. Peter Doherty, the executive director of the Greeting Card Association, said that millennials purchase more greeting cards than any other generation. When analyzing the reason for this trend, Doherty concluded that millennials and Gen Z are searching for a more meaningful connection. They're looking for something real, something lasting that can be personalized.
As you can see, I actually visited an elementary school last week. I went over spring break to one of the elementary schools that I went to as a kid, and I brought them one of these boxes. The boxes had pre-cut cards, it had glitter, it had literally everything you could ask for. The teacher was thrilled. I met with the teacher, and he was like, this finally gives me time to spend more time lesson planning, because they're already there from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., even though that's way longer than school hours. They're constantly working, so this gives the teachers a much-needed break. So if you can see, these are just some of the cards that we made. We also handed them to you guys, and they'll be delivered to retirement homes in just a couple of weeks for Easter. I've already talked with the retirement homes, and they look forward to it. I did a practice run actually last semester, and they all loved it. Everyone involved was thrilled.
The reason why this is important today is because approximately 1.2 million people live in nursing homes across the United States. 60% of these people in nursing homes suffer from moderate to severe levels of loneliness and depression. Something as simple as receiving a handwritten card has been shown to decrease these levels of loneliness by up to 50%. With Cards for Change, our platform makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their experience, to create custom cards to share with their community. But it gets even better than that, in that our business is scalable. The greeting card industry within the United States is a multi-billion-dollar industry, generating $7.5 billion in retail sales each and every year. With our low-cost, sustainable model, we're able to leverage partnerships with craft suppliers, schools, and organizations to generate ongoing sources of revenue.
We're not asking for an investment in a business, we're asking for an investment in a movement. Not only is this going to change lives, but it's also profitable. We have a 70% profit margin, which is a lot higher than most companies. We have already talked with craft suppliers where we can get our boxes very low. We can buy a box for $15 and sell them for $50. That breaks down to $2 cost per student. So this is profitable and changing lives. Because we believe that together, everyone can be a hero.
Thank you.